Hi friends, this video shows how to reset network settings. That way we can fix network connection issues and repair network settings. First we need to open settings app, tap on this settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing, tap on this. Then go down. Here you can see reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Tap on this. And here you can see reset settings. Tap on that. Read the message, reset all network settings now. This might take several seconds. You won't be able to undo this action. Tap on OK. Network settings has been reset. So this action reset Wi-Fi settings, mobile data settings and Bluetooth settings. We can use this if we are facing network related issues, like for example Wi-Fi is not working, we are not getting internet, or Bluetooth is not working. In that case we can do this network reset. It will restore these settings to factory default. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.